Hello everyone, this is Katia Plant Scientist. How do we plant sprouted squash seeds? These are some seeds I sprouted earlier. They are pumpkin seeds, and as you can see, they've already germinated because they have a long radicle that looks like a little tail on them. So what do we do with them? We plant them in dirt. Take a medium-sized pot filled with potting soil, vermiculite, perlite, and sand mix, and dig out a small hole about 1 to 2 centimeters deep and 3 to 4 centimeters long. Then take your squash seed and place it vertically in the hole. This will help prevent the squash seed from rotting. Make sure that the root is pointing downwards. After that, take your spatula and tuck it into bed by putting a little bit of dirt on top. Press it down lightly. Once your seeds are planted, make sure to label every individual pot with the name of your squash. As you can see, I have many varieties. Stay curious about plants and happy gardening, everybody. Thank you for joining me.